All right, here we are on Tim's 58 Vet. I know he's got an event coming up with it. He wants me to change out the radio and the speaker, get everything ready to rock, because I know he needs to take it, I think, on the 19th. This is 13th. Yeah, it's been we've been busy. Vets and every other damn thing. So, without further ado, I'm gonna jump in and get started. All right. First order of business here. Got our knobs off, hardware out. So we're just gonna, look at all the overspray and shit on this. All right, I'm just gonna kind of push that baby out for right now. Play reach around here in a second. Get to that. Ooh. There we are. Get it out. Oh, she blows. All right. On it. All right, so here I am under the dash, getting ready to unhook the wiring. I'm looking around and I'm like, there's a little overspray on stuff that shouldn't have overspray and blah, blah, blah. Then I look at the back of the master. That's wet. I don't think this car should be going on that adventure, Tim. I really don't. That fluid is squishing out of the master. Bad. All right, got the radio out, which is awesome. That was quick and easy. Well, not too quick. There's one bolt on the side here. Goes to the strap. And of course, speaker connector. And the other main power right there. Comes right out. Pretty simple. Now I'm gonna work on getting the speaker out. Also, Tim and I have talked about Mr. Master Cylinder there, and it's on the way. We're gonna handle that problem.